Holy Sky Ghost. Says here Windows has gotten so bloated it's copying Linux now. Oh, I didn't see you there. Good morning, y'all. Uh, Grab a coffee, stretch your spine, and prepare your craniums because today we're talking about something wild happening in the gaming world. And it's all tied to digital sovereignty. So here's the deal. Windows has been getting slower, heavier for years. Every update adds more junk. Background services, telemetry, ads, copilot panels, browsers, wrap apps, and whatever else they can cram in there. And all of that runs before your game even launches. GPU is ready, game is ready, Windows is like, hold on, I'm busy running 47 invisible Chrome tabs disguised as system features. And gamers are finally noticing. Frames drop, shutters, games that run like last year suddenly feel like they're dragging a mattress uphill. Meanwhile, Linux, the thing everyone used to laugh at, quietly solved this years ago. Valve built Proton and the magic capability layer and lets Windows gamers run games on Linux. And here's the twist. A lot of the games run better on Linux plus Proton than Windows itself. Why? Because Linux isn't bloated. Linux isn't running the start menu as a browser. Linux isn't shoving ads in your face into the taskbar. Linux isn't phoning home every 12 seconds. Linux is lean, clean, and focused. And gamers started noticing. Steam Deck exploded. Proton got better. Linux gaming became a real thing. And Microsoft, oh, they saw it. They saw it and went, uh-oh. So now they're working on their own version of Proton, like Layer, a cleaner, isolated gaming environment that bypasses window bloat. In other words, Windows gaming is slowing down because Windows is slowing down. Linux fixed it. Now Microsoft is trying to copy Linux to fix itself. And that, my friends, is why digital sovereignty matters. Because when you rely on one giant company to run your entire digital life, you get whatever choice they make, even if those choices slow down your game, your PC, and your sanity. But when you step outside the walled garden and try something like Zorin or Pop OS or Steam OS, you suddenly realize you don't have to live inside the bloat. You don't have to accept the slowdown. You don't have to wait for Microsoft to reinvent Linux badly. You can just run what works. And that's sovereignty. Anyway, that's today's ramble. If your game shutters tonight, don't blame your GPU. Blame the 14 layers of Chromium windows hidden behind the start menu. And like, follow, and subscribe. We'll be back. Thanks for watching.